Good morning! It's our third day today. Ayun namin yan. Okay, imbis na oras lang. Imbis na araw pala. Third day na agad. Hi guys! Our first stop is the elevator! Pasok na kami.
Santa Justa elevator.
Two trips. You may use the second one as a return one.
Okay.
Sakay na muna kami.
Wi-Fi pa.
So,
Okay, one experience na. Thank you. Good morning.
oh, mami, saan na tayo ngayon?
So, we first went to the Santa Justa elevator, so we went up there. It's a must apparently when you go when you visit Lisbon. And now we're at Geronimo's Monastery. Here we are. Show. Ta-da! Welcome to the Monastery of San Geronimo here in Lisbon, Portugal. Beautiful architecture, as you can see.
Alright, here's a nice garden in front of Geronimo's Monastery. Ayan, oh. Ganda, di ba?
So, after Geronimo's Monastery, pupunta naman kami sa Monument of the Discoveries, which is just across the way. So, come on, let's go!
Okay, here we go.
milkshake? O
Later.
juice? Later.
Oh, juice. Sige, juice.
Gusto mo juice?
Oo.
Hi. What's your juice?
I have passion fruit juice, lemonade.
Hi, I got my new hat for 5 euros. 5 euros. On your new cap. Okay, hello everyone.
Hi.
Hi. So ano yung nasa likod natin, Mami?
LM Tower.
William Tower. So what's about William Tower?
Balik.
So sarado na naman. Sarado, di ba, Mami?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi, sarado. Walang pumapasok
Oh,
eh.
sarado.
So sarado, same as yung monastery kanina, sarado rin. So yan, ano kami, tabi ng beach, yun ang taas yan. Yan. So maganda yung maganda yung place. Very good. Pahinga muna si Mami at napagod.
Pagod ako. Yung heart ko.
Pupunta kami ron sa mismong famous store ng pastel de nata. Di ba, ano may?
Pastéis de Belém.
Okay. Okay.
One mango milkshake. Mango? And one chocolate milkshake. Thank you. Thank you.
And if you like with a little cinnamon and top,
Right, okay, thank you.
chocolate milkshake, and a mango.
Thank you. Yeah, that's mine.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Okay.
Favorite. Very nice. The best talaga to. Best daw best to. Very good. Init. Ano, masarap siya. Masarap siya kasi freshly cooked. Mainit.
Dito na pala.
Bago siya luto, may kaya masarap siya.
Puff pastry. Parang hindi pa naman.
This is the duck and the spinach. Sarap siya. Tapos ito ay yung corn beef. Corn beef. Pero masarap. Alam mo bakit siya masarap dito? Mainit na siya. At the same time, puffy yung yung pastry.
Saka hindi masyadong matamis yung loob.
Oo.
Although hindi naman matamis yung
Kasi yung kagabi,
mga previous.
hindi siya puffy.
Patabi natin.
Oo. Cristo Rey. Ngayon, nasa likod kami. Punta kami dyan sa harapan. Mami! Are you happy? On your
Sabi
birthday?
ni Daddy, kasi birthday ko daw, kailangan namin pumunta dito kasi magdadasal ako.
Dapat ka magdasal. Sa maraming mo pang birthday.
Wow. Lips.
No, I don't know.
We don't know. Hello.
Oh, that's the
That's the April 25 bridge. The architect is the one who made the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco as well. That's why they look alike. So here you are. And then right behind you is the Cristo Rey, which is like the Christ the Redeemer of Rio de Janeiro. Hello, it's my birthday. Happy birthday!
ano masasabi mo, Mami?
Masasabi ko. Ganda.
Ganda ko sa birthday mo.
Hindi ko nakikita.
Hindi mo makikita yan. Diba? Hi guys! Hello!
Hello.
So, saan ako dinala ni Mami ngayon? Kung saan ako dinadala ni Mami?
Sumunod ka na lang sa
Oh,
akin.
dinala niya ako dito sa Time Out Market. Alright, so iba-ibang market, iba-ibang tindahan. Oo. Dito sa loob ng
Kainan.
yeah, so magta-try kami ng mga kakanin. Okay?
mix,
Ay,
grilled
parang
fish.
yung binigay natin.
Ito, arroz bacon.
Wow, ang dami niya.
17 pounds lang to sa akin, hindi 55. Oyster. Oh, here. Oyster and champagne.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, next stop. Tinatawag ni Mami na Pink Street. Ito, makikita nyo na, malapit na. Oh,
Natatawa ako kasi nakatingin sila sa'yo.
bakit?
Nagtataka sila, ginagawa na. Ito na yun. Alam ko, picturean din kita.
Alright. So yeah, yan ang payong namin. Yung mga payong. And then, ayun yung Pink Street. Yung floor namin.
Flow natin.